You can see me telling time is now. Konnichiwa. In this quick lesson, we'll learn how to tell time in Japanese. Let's start. In Japanese, to say the hour, you say the number plus G meaning o'clock. Here's the example. Ichiji, Niji, Sanji, Yoji, Goji, Rokoji, Shichiji, Hachiji, Koji, Juji, Juichiji, and Juniji. To say minutes, add fun or pun after the number. We'll use pun 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 0. We'll use fun 2, 5, 7, 9. Here's the example. 1 minutes ipun, 3 minutes sanpun, 5 minutes gopun, 10 minutes jupun, 30 minutes sanjupun. 30 minutes can also be han, meaning half. To say full time, combine the hour and minute. Here's the example. 3:15 Sanji Jugofun, 7:30 Shichiji Han, 9:01 Kuji Ipun, 12:45 Juniji Yonjugofun. Let's add the AM and PM. In Japanese, the AM, PM, Gozen and Gogo. And here's the example. 10 AM, Gozen Juji. The 8:30 PM, Gogo Hachiji Han. And that's how you tell time in Japanese. Practice with clocks around you. Get faster if you learn something. Mata ne! See you next time! You can see me telling time is now. Ulit. To say minutes, add